Hi folks, this is Terry and Janet in Castle Penny Lane Studios, and for Canada Day 2024 we'd like to record Ian Tyson's Four Strong Winds. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. For our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. For our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. For our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. For our good times are